Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, the place where we bring you honest, in-depth looks at the hottest bikes on the road. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we've got something truly special, a machine that's bold, iconic, and dripping with attitude. We're talking about the 2026 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Grey Ghost. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Let's dive in. First impressions. A modern legend in gray. The first thing that hits you is that stunning gray ghost finish. It's a deep, industrial gray with subtle metallic flake that looks menacing in daylight and mysterious under the streetlights. Harley has always been known for its commanding design, and the 2026 Grey Ghost takes it up a notch. It blends that familiar fat boy silhouette with modern design cues. You've got the solid disc Lancaster wheels, that fat front end, and the wide bars. But now it's all wrapped in a stealthy, tactical aesthetic that screams confidence without saying a word. Design and styling. Heritage meets modern muscle. The Fat Boy has always had presence, but in 2026, Harley went all in on refining the bike's stance and styling. The Grey Ghost edition comes with blackout finishes on the exhaust, engine casings, and front forks. The chrome has been replaced with a darker, meaner vibe that makes this version feel like it rolled out of a dystopian action film. The LED lighting is sharper than ever, with a more aggressive headlamp housing and sleeker turn signals. It's clear that Harley-Davidson is pushing the Fat Boy into a more contemporary direction, while keeping the heart of the classic cruiser intact. Engine and performance. Milwaukee muscle. Underneath all that bold styling is Harley's proven Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. This beast delivers around 125 lb-ft of torque, and believe me, you feel every ounce of it when you twist that throttle. The torque curve is smooth and punchy, offering grunt right from the low end. Whether you're rolling through town in second gear or cruising at highway speeds, the Fat Boy never feels out of breath. It's built to dominate the road and offers that iconic Harley rumble that enthusiasts crave. Harley has also refined the ride quality in 2026. The new model comes with enhanced Showa suspension, giving you better control and comfort, especially during longer rides. Ride and handling. Surprisingly agile. Despite its muscular appearance and beefy tires, the 2026 Fat Boy Grey Ghost handles surprisingly well. The fat 160mm front tire and solid wheels provide excellent stability, while the bike's low center of gravity helps it stay planted even in tight corners. Is it a sport bike? No. But for a cruiser of this size and power, it's agile, responsive, and refined. The seat height sits at a manageable 25.9 inches, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser fan or a newcomer to Harley's world, you'll find it easy to get comfortable. Tech and features. Subtle but smart. Harley didn't overload the Grey Ghost with tech, and honestly, that's a good thing. You still get keyless ignition, cruise control, and a USB charging port as standard. The digital analog combo cluster keeps things simple and classic. ABS is standard, of course, and Harley's Reflex Defensive Rider System, RDRS, is optional, giving you traction control and cornering enhanced braking. It's all subtly integrated, allowing you to enjoy the ride without being overwhelmed by screens and buttons. Soundtrack of the streets. The exhaust note. Let's talk about that exhaust. Harley tuned the stock exhaust on the 2026 Grey Ghost for a deeper, more aggressive growl. At idle, it rumbles like distant thunder, and when you open it up, it roars with authority. It's not obnoxious, but it makes its presence known, and that's exactly what a Fat Boy should do. For those who want even more bark, Harley offers a Screamin' Eagle upgrade that adds more volume and bite. Customization potential. A blank canvas. One of the coolest things about the Grey Ghost is how easily it lends itself to customization. Harley knows its audience, and this model is practically begging for personal touches. Whether it's swapping out bars, throwing on a different seat, or tuning up the performance, this bike is a perfect base for your dream build. And Harley's genuine accessory catalog for the Fat Boy is massive, so you've got endless options to make it truly yours. Price and final thoughts. Is it worth it? The 2026 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Gray Ghost starts around $22,500 depending on options. That's not cheap, but this isn't a budget bike. You're paying for premium materials, iconic design, and a riding experience that's like nothing else on the road. For those who want a modern cruiser with muscle, attitude, and undeniable road presence, the Gray Ghost is hard to beat. It's Harley's vision of the future, grounded in heritage, built for today's rider. Outro. Join the ride. So what do you think of the 2026 Fat Boy Gray Ghost? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you love the stealthy new look, or are you sticking with chrome? And if you've ridden one, let us know how it felt on the open road. Thanks for watching Bike Review Hub, your go-to spot for motorcycle insights and reviews. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, ride safe, ride hard, and keep the throttle open.